How to fix 9 years of shadows crashing while exiting. To fix 9 years of shadows crashing while exiting, you better install any official patches in time. Other potential workarounds. Include * check for updates. Make sure you have the latest updates installed for your game and your operating system. * verify game. Files. This will check to make sure that all of the files for your game are installed correctly. * restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can fix a crashing issue. * update your graphics drivers. Make sure you have the latest drivers installed for your graphics card. For starters, use the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. * play in Windows mode. This can sometimes help to prevent crashes. * disable full screen optimizations in 9 years of shadows.exe. Like this can also sometimes help to prevent crashes. * lower your graphics. Settings. This can help to reduce the load on your graphics card and may prevent crashes. * play in a different location. If you are playing on a laptop, try playing in a different location with a better internet connection. If you have tried all of these things and the issue is still not fixed, you can contact the 9 years of shadows developers for support.